Hello, I'm Tim from Church Stores, and for this video I want to show some hints and suggestions about setting up prayer space for home. I'm using some props from around my shop, and I'm going to show you a few suggestions. First of all, I've set up what I think would be a very nice little prayer space at home. Generally we're going to have Jesus and Mary if we're a good Catholic family. We're going to have a crucifix and maybe a statue of Mary and a nice little tea light burning. The benefit of a tea light is it's safe. They don't create a lot of heat or smoke. They burn inside a glass cup, so we've got less risk of fire. And they're elegant and they look nice. They create a nice atmosphere. If you're in a place that doesn't allow real candles, you can still have a nice little cup like this and put a battery operated candle as well. A few ideas. Some people might like to have a whole row of saints, but I'm showing some simple, elegant ideas that you can create at home. I'm a bit of a minimalist, and so I don't want to crowd our prayer space. An alternative to a statue would be a really beautiful icon such as this one. Icons help to pray because the more you look at them, the more you see, the more you can reflect on the images and the thoughts that they convey. Along the line of an icon, this would be my perfect prayer space. That would be my ideal at home. This is a bifold icon, so it stands up by itself. You've got Jesus, Mary, and a beautiful little tea light candle burning. Two things I want to go through. One is what not to do. And I've got an example here of what I see quite often. A nice church statue that someone's got in their home, and they drape rosary beads around it. Rosary beads are for use in praying. Leave your statues without extra things dangling on them. And don't drape rosary beads across your prayer space. I don't think it looks nice. I don't think it helps you to pray. And it's not the purpose of rosary beads. If you have a bigger space, there's one more thing I want to go through, and that's if you have a bigger space, you might like to put a Bible. I'll show you that here. You can have a Bible either flat. I've got a nice book rest to put it on here, but you could just put it flat on the table. And we'll have our crucifix. We'll have our icon, and so that's using up a bigger space. It encourages us to read the Bible, which is good, and of course we do want a candle burning as well, so maybe that could go in the background. If you had a big candle and a candlestick like this, or always, the nicest, simplest and most elegant is the little tea light in a cup. And the last thing that I'm going to mention, this will be in another video as well, is incense. You can burn incense at home quite nicely and in a safe way using something like this. Now, when you're praying at home, that can make a nice atmosphere to have some incense burning. We'll show you that in another video, but that can make a nice little part of your prayer ritual at home. Thank you for tuning in.